What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's solve this math question that says find the value of x for which the square root of x plus x is equal to 2. Well, our first step will be for us to move x to the right hand side. Now I'll be left with the square root of x on the left to be equal to, I already have 2 on the right hand side. And as x crosses to the right, it becomes minus x. Very good. Now, in order to remove this square root, I will have to take the square of both sides. Very good. Now, notice this, that whenever you're removing a square root using a square, that is squaring both sides, it is necessary that you check your answer. Very important. Very good. Now notice that this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x to be equal to, now the right hand side is of the form a minus b all squared. And this is expanded as a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Very good. And if we have to compare, you see that a is 2 and that b is x. Now let's write this in this form. So we have a squared, that means we can say this is 2 squared minus 2 times a times b. So 2 times a is 2 times b is x. Very good. And then plus b squared. So plus b is x. So this is x squared. Very good. So simplifying, we have x to be equal to 2 squared is 4 minus 2 times 2 times x is 4x. And then plus x squared. Very good. Now let's move this x to the right hand side. So this will become, I have 4 here, minus 4x. Now, when I move x to the right, it becomes minus x. Now, leaving behind 0 on the left-hand side. So, plus x squared. Very good. Now, simplifying what we have on the right-hand side, we have 0 on the left to be equal to, this is 4. Now, minus 4x minus x is minus 5x. Very good. And then plus x squared. Now notice that we have a quadratic equation. Well, this quadratic equation can also be written as, now I'm going to be writing what I have on the right on the left hand side. So I'll write this on the left hand side. So this is x squared minus 5x. So minus 5x and then plus 4 equal to, now I'll be writing the 0 on the right, so equal to 0. Very good. So now let's solve this quadratic equation. Now, taking a good look at this quadratic equation, you notice that it can be factorized. So I'm going to be multiplying 2 brackets. Very good. Now, since this is x squared, that means x times x gives x squared. Very good. Now watch. Since I have minus here and plus here, since minus comes first before the plus, that means I'll be having minus and minus here. Very good. Now, what are the factors of 4? The factors of 4 are 4 times 1. And when I add these factors, it gives 5. So I'll write 4 here and I'll write 1 here. Very good. And this is equal to 0. Now, we have 2 factors which multiplies to give 0. So it's either this factor is 0 or this other factor is 0. So let's write that down. So it's either x minus 4 is 0 or x minus 1 is 0. Now, to get the value of x from here, I just have to move -4 to the right hand side. And when I do that, it becomes +4. Now, what about what I have here? In order to get the value of x from here, I just have to move -1 to the right hand side. And when I do that, it becomes +1. Very good. So we have two values of x. Now, recall what I said, that it is necessary that we check our answer. The given question is the square root of x plus x equal to 2. Now let's check for when x is 4. So when x is 4, so this will be the square root of 4 plus 4 equal to 2. Now notice that just this 4 is bigger than the right hand side already. So this cannot be accepted. That means we're going to be rejecting this. So this is being rejected. What about x equal to 1? So let's test that. When x is equal to 1. So this will be the square root of 1 plus 1. Will this be equal to 2? Now the square root of 1 is 1 plus 1. This is equal to 2. Now notice that the left hand side is 2 and is equal to the right hand side, which is also 2. So we can see that x equal to 1 is a solution. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.